In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Google Recaptcha on Shopify. If your Shopify store gets spam messages, automated bots, or repeated fake signups, adding CAPTCHA protection is a simple way to reduce that noise and keep your customers' experience smooth. The process is done right inside your Shopify admin, and it takes only a few minutes. First, log into your Shopify admin. Make sure you are using the correct store account, since the changes you are about to make will apply to that specific storefront. Once you are signed in, you should see the Shopify dashboard with menus along the left side. Next, go to the Online Store section. You will usually find this in the main navigation on the left, and it is where Shopify lets you manage themes, preferences, and other store-wide settings. Clicking Online Store helps you reach the area that controls how your storefront behaves, including security and spam protection. After you open Online Store, click on Preferences. This is where Shopify groups general configuration options for your online shop. When you land on the Preferences page, take a moment to scan the available sections so you know you are in the right place before making any changes. Now scroll down until you find the Spam Protection section. This part is important because it contains the settings specifically meant to block unwanted automated traffic. Shopify provides CAPTCHA options here, and you will enable them by selecting the boxes that match the forms and pages you want to protect. When you reach the Spam Protection section, you will see options to enable CAPTCHA protection for different parts of your store. The first one you should enable is for contact and comment forms. By turning this on, you help prevent bots from submitting spam through form fields that are intended for real customers. It also reduces the amount of moderation work you may have to do later. Then, enable CAPTCHA protection for the login, create account, and password recovery pages. This step matters because bots often target authentication pages to test stolen credentials, generate fake accounts, or spam reset requests. By enabling CAPTCHA on these pages, you add an extra verification layer that can significantly cut down on automated abuse. Once you have checked the boxes you want, you are ready to apply the change. Click Save to confirm and store your new CAPTCHA settings. After saving, Shopify will update the configuration so that your storefront starts using the CAPTCHA protection you enabled. To finish, it is helpful to pause for a moment and verify that everything looks correct. You do not need to do anything complicated, but you should make sure the check marks remain selected after saving, since that indicates the settings were applied successfully. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.